AI took my business from making $2,000 a month to making $9,000 a month. I thought AI was just another buzzword being thrown around, something that might sound impressive but wouldn't really move the needle for my business. But once I started using it, everything changed. Tasks that used to feel overwhelming or time-consuming became quick and easy. I was suddenly able to do more, reach more people, and, most importantly, make more money, all without putting in endless hours of work. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI-fueled methods that I use to grow my business. Method 1. Generate Instagram content using AI. The first thing I tackled was Instagram content. If you're in affiliate marketing, you already know how important Instagram is. It's one of the best platforms for connecting with your audience and driving traffic. But honestly, keeping up with the constant demand for fresh, engaging posts can feel like a full-time job. That's where ChatGPT came in. Instead of racking my brain for ideas, I started using ChatGPT to generate content. For example, I'd type, "Give me 3 rules for success in business," and within seconds, I'd have a list of tips ready to go. Now, generating text is one thing, but Instagram is a visual platform. You need your post to look professional if you want people to stop scrolling and pay attention. Once I had the content from ChatGPT, I used Canva to create the actual post designs. Canva has templates specifically for Instagram, so I didn't have to start from scratch. I'd paste the text into a template, customize the colors and fonts to match my brand, and add any finishing touches like icons or background images. If I wanted something more unique, I'd ask ChatGPT for design suggestions. For example, I'd say, "What's a good layout for an Instagram post about business tips?" and then apply those ideas in Canva. The whole process took about 15 minutes per post, and the results looked like I had a professional designer on my team. But Instagram isn't just about static posts anymore. If you want to maximize your reach, you need to be creating Reels. Method 2. Create Instagram Reels with AI. Video content is where the engagement is right now, and that's not going to change anytime soon. At first, the idea of making videos felt overwhelming. I didn't want to spend hours scripting, filming, and editing. That's when I found InVideo AI. This tool made it ridiculously easy to create high-quality reels without any filming or editing skills. Here's how I did it. I signed up for InVideo's AI-powered platform and selected their animated ads workflow. This option is perfect for creating engaging, dynamic videos quickly. Then I typed in a topic like 3 ways to make money online in 2025. Next, I selected some setting options like the voiceover, subtitles, background music, and so on. The AI took care of everything, from writing the script to generating the visuals and voiceover. Once the video was ready, I reviewed it to make sure it fit my brand. If something felt off, maybe the voiceover tone or the choice of visuals, I'd tweak the settings and generate a new version. After downloading the video in 1080p, I uploaded it to Instagram as a reel, added a strong caption, and included a mix of trending and niche-specific hashtags. The engagement I got from these reels was incredible, and they started driving significant traffic to my affiliate links. While Instagram was bringing in solid results, I wanted to diversify my traffic sources. That's when I turned to Pinterest. Method 3. Use Pinterest for free traffic. Pinterest is like a hidden goldmine for affiliate marketers. People use this platform specifically to find ideas and solutions, which means they're already in the mindset to take action. I started by creating pins for my affiliate products. Canva was my go-to tool for this as well. I'd use their Pinterest templates to design pins that were eye-catching and included clear calls to action, like click here to learn more. The trick with Pinterest is consistency. I made it a habit to post new pins daily, linking each one directly to my blog posts, where I promoted my affiliate links. Over time, I started seeing a steady flow of free traffic coming from Pinterest, and the best part was that it converted into sales. Once I had traffic coming in from Instagram and Pinterest, I decided to add another revenue stream: digital products. Method 4. Create and sell digital products. This is one of the easiest ways to boost your income, and AI made it so much easier than I expected. I started with an ebook. Since my niche is business, I came up with the idea for 10 Rules to Improve Lead Generation. I typed that title into ChatGPT and asked it to generate an outline. Within seconds, I had a chapter-by-chapter breakdown. Then I asked ChatGPT to expand on each chapter, providing detailed content for the ebook. Of course, I reviewed and edited everything to make sure it matched my voice and expertise, but the bulk of the work was done for me. Once the content was ready, I used Canva to design the ebook. Canva has templates for ebooks that include pre-designed layouts for the cover. I customized everything to match my brand, added some visuals, and added my text onto new pages within the same Canva project. Then I downloaded the finished product as a PDF. To sell the ebook, I used Stan Store. Setting up the store was straightforward. I uploaded the PDF, set a price of $17, and linked my payment options: PayPal and Stripe. The ebook started selling within days, and the best part is that it continues to generate income without any additional effort on my part. Method 5. Email marketing with AI. The last piece of the puzzle was email marketing. If you're not building an email list, you're missing out on one of the most powerful tools in affiliate marketing. But I'll admit, writing email campaigns isn't my favorite task. So again, I turned to ChatGPT. I asked it to write a 5-email sequence promoting my ebook called 10 Rules to Improve Lead Generation. I was really impressed with what ChatGPT came up with. What made these emails effective was the level of personalization. I pasted the sales page for my ebook into ChatGPT and asked it to create emails based on that. The results were tailored, engaging, and hardly needed any editing. To grow my email list, I offered a free lead magnet, a short guide with business tips. I created the guide using ChatGPT and Canva, then offered it on Stan Store in exchange for email addresses. This strategy not only grew my list, but also gave me a pool of warm leads who were already interested in my niche. From there, I used the AI-generated email sequence to nurture these leads and drive sales for both my ebook and affiliate products. I use the same AI tools in several different ways to really boost my income, and so far it's been working amazingly. If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed, this is your sign to start using AI to take your business to the next level. Trust me, you won't look back. If you have any questions or want to get into even more specifics, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside YouTube Profit Academy, we share exclusive tips and updates on content creation, YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, running online businesses, and much more. It's completely free, so be sure to join using the link in the description, and I'll see you inside. Which of the strategies that I talked about today are you already using or will you use next to grow your affiliate marketing business? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.